Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Now let us chant Dhyana Yoga Shloka. Bhakti Yoga, that Dhyana Shloka. Okay, all together. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramadram Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langhayate Girim Yatkripātamaham Vande Paramanandamahavam Atha Śrīmad Bhagavad Gītāsū Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha Shri Bhagavanuvāca Chaturvidha bhajante māṁ Jana Sukrutino Juna Arto Jignāsurarthāti Jnāni Cha Bharatarshava Tejat Kshama Dhriti Shaucham Adroho Nātimanita Bhavanti Sampadam Daivīm Abhijatasya Bharata Dambho Darpo Vimanascha Krodha Parushyameva Cha Ajñānam Chābhijatasya Partha Sampadamāsurim Daivi Sampatti Mokshaya Nibandhaya Surimata Māsu Cha Sampadam Daivīm Abhijatosi Pandava Nantosti Mama Divyanam Vibhutinam Parantapa Esha Uddeshatah Proktaha Vibhute Vistaro Maya Yadyat Vibhutimat Sattvam Śrīmadurjitameva va tattadevāvagacchhatvam mama tejosha sambhavam mayyeva manādhasva mayi buddhim niveshaya nivasishyasi mayyeva ata urdhvam na samshayah Arjuna uvaca evametadyathāthatvam ātmānam parameshvara drashtumicchāmi te rūpam aishvaram purushottama Shri Bhagavanuvāca natu māṁ shakyase drashtum anenaiva svachakshusha divyam dadami te chakshuhu pashyami yogamaishwaram Sanjaya uvaca evamuktvā tato rajan mahayogeshvaro harihi darshayamasa parthāya paramam rūpamaishwaram Arjuna uvaca Kirinam gadinam chakrinam cha tejo rashim sarvato diptimantam pashyami tvam durniriksham samantat diptananarkadyutimaprameyam. Now we will contemplate this. Adrishtapurvam hrishitosmi drishtva
Adrishtapurvam hrishitosmi drishtva Adrishtapurvam hrishitosmi drishtva
Bhayena cha pravyathitam mano me
Bhayena cha pravyathitam mano
अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे
अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे
तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपम्
तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं
प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास
प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास
तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास
तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास
All together. अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास
हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास
Now let us contemplate this shloka meaning word by word. जयति पराशरसूनुः सत्यवती हृदयनन्दनो व्यासः यस्य आस्य कमलगलितं वाङ्मयममृतं जगत्पिबति व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं शेषं रामानुजं यतिं वायुञ्च मध्वमाचार्यम् आचार्यत्रयमाश्रये. Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties, we are contemplating on Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha, where all the shlokas which are going to invoke bhakti in us together, all together. And in this shloka, Adrushta Purvam Hrushitaha Asmi Drushtva Bhayena Cha Pravyatitham Mano Me तदेव मे तत् एव मे दर्शय देव रूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास. Arjuna is completely baffled by this Krishna's Rupa. He never dreamt also in his wildest of his dreams also that Krishna's Vishwarupa will be like this. Never. So he is giving his comments here. Adrushta Purvam. I have never seen this Rupa Krishna of yours, which has made me completely baffled. मैं तो कंगाल हो गया. This is what is the word he is using. Adrushta Purvam Hrishitosmi Drushtva. By looking at it only, all my hairs on my body is horripilation. That's what we call it as. We get this horripilation at two types of emotions. When you have too much of cold outside, naturally, automatically your hairs will stand on your body. Another thing is when you are very scared of something. We are all discussing here. Suddenly one lion comes, everybody's hairs will stand on the body. So this is what is horripilation. जब हम डर जाते हैं ना, उस समय रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं. इसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में रोंगटे खड़े होना. तो ये रोंगटे खड़ा हो गया अर्जुन का. बाप रे बाप, मैं तो देख रहा था मेरा सखा कृष्णा मेरे साथ खेला कूदा, अरे उसका तो ये रूप देखकर हैरान हो गया. He could not digest also. Oh my God, दोनों साथ में हो रहा है. ये देखिए, 2 types of emotions being experienced at a time. One is Ascharya, Adbhuta, Romanchana and Bhaya, all together happening at a time. This is something amazing psychology. That's why we say that Bhagavad Gita is a textbook of psychology here. When a person is experiencing all these emotions, Bhaya, Ascharya, Adbhuta, Romanchana, everything is happening at a time. That's why he says, Adrushta Purvam, I have not seen this Krishna. Adrushta, that means not seen before. Purvam, never. From my childhood, I have not seen your Rupa like this. You are the one who is going to be the origin, and you are going to completely annihilate the whole Rupa, Vishwarupa. Everybody is entering into your mouth, and everybody is coming out of your mouth, and your mouth is completely full of Jwala. Oh my God, this I cannot even imagine. Adrushta Purvam Hrishitosmi. That's what is Hrishitaha. Hrishitaha means horripilation. I am very much happy also for this. At the same time, I am scared also. Adrushta Purvam Hrishitosmi Drishtva. देखने के बाद क्या हो रहा है मेरे अंदर, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. कृष्णा भयेन च, डर भी लग रहा है मुझे. ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರಹದ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಉಮ್ಮೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅವನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಭಯೇನ ಚ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಭಯ. ಎಸ್, how a person can tolerate all this all of a sudden. Bhayena cha pravyathitam mano me. My mind is completely baffled now. I am not able to control my mind. Pravyathitam mano me. Vyatha. Vyatha means here it is not sorrow. It is mixed emotions which is causing agitation in the mind. That is called as pravyathitam. Prakarshena Vyathitam. That Vyatha, it is because of mixture of emotions. We need to learn how to handle all these emotions altogether when it comes. This is how Arjuna is explaining here. Pravyathitam manome. I am completely enough of this. Krishna, I don't want this Rupa. I am unable to even tolerate this also. Bhaya, then Ascharya, Adbhuta and Romaharshana, everything is happening at a time. I am unable to manage this. I want the same Rupa. Tadeva me Darshaya. I want the same old Krishna's form that I need to see. I am not able to, even a Jiva, see, Arjuna is representing all of us, is it not? When we get all these emotions at a time, even we are unable to tolerate this or manage these emotions. That is how Arjuna is asking Krishna to show me the same Rupa. Tadeva me darshaya deva rupam. That same old Krishna I want. Khelta hua Krishna, Natkat Krishna, Makanchor Krishna. वो रूप मैं देखना चाहता हूँ. So that is what I want to see. Tadeva me darshaya deva rupam. That is what is the Rupa. Prasida. Oh Krishna, please bless me. That is the one Rupa which is going to bless all the living entities on this earth. When Krishna ventured the Vrindavana, the whole of the living entities enjoyed its time. Even when Krishna used to play bansuri, no, flute, even all the animals, deers, birds, they used to stop their chewing only. वो भूल भी जाते थे कि हम कुछ चबा रहे हैं. ऐसे ही मुंह के अंदर आधा अंदर गया, आधा बाहर है घास. ऐसे ही कान एकदम खड़ा हो जाता था. Oh, this is the beautiful emotions of all the birds and animals. Oh, when I say the bird, I remember today is the World Sparrow Day. You know this? You never knew. Because it is now endangered species. हम जब बचपन में थे ना, तब ಓ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾವು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ನೋಡಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೀಗ. ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಲ್ವಲ್ರಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದು ಕೂತಿದೆ. ಟುಡೇ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಡೇ. I remembered just now when I say this, all the birds and the animals, deer, they used to forget the chewing only. They used to enjoy the beautiful flute of Krishna. Tadeva me darshaya deva roopam. Let us protect the endangered species, that is sparrow. We call it as ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ. ಆ ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಕಥೆನೇ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತಿದ್ವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತನಿಗೆ ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಕತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈ ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿನೇ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಕತೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಈಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿನೇ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, they used to forget, the deers and all the animals used to forget Krishna by listening to Krishna's flute. Arjuna is also demanding, I want the same rupa. Tadeva me darshaya deva roopam prasida. Oh Lord Krishna, please bless me. Devesha, oh you are the devanam ishaha, you are the Lord of all the devatas. Jagannivasa, definitely Jagannatha, Ishavasya sarvam yatkincha jagatyam jagat. Ishavasya Upanishad says this is the place abode of Lord. Oh Devesha Jagannivasa, please bless me with the bliss by giving the same old Tadeva me darshaya deva roopam. So beautiful emotions of Arjuna is brought out here. What is next Bhagavan telling, that we will contemplate on the next day. Hari Om Tat Sat.
I would like to invite Manjunath sir for flag hoisting after the Shanti Mantra. Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag